This is actually equipped with our Hennessey HPE 850 package. Fantastic package all around. You keep the stock supercharger. We're going to give you ported and polished cylinder heads, a custom camshaft, a pulley for some more boost, long tube stainless steel headers and mid pipes, and high flow cats. You're getting 250 more horsepower than stock, and you're getting a warranty from us that we're going to back because we know it works. We're on our track right now. We're going to get into it. This is a sick car, has great sound, it lopes at idle, and it's something you can drive to church on Sunday.